When are we gonna have a break? I have decided to keep you here permanently. Enjoy the music, though. Hey, I got a good chair.
Get out! Hey, Hansel, he's a real
Man, this guy's loins are on fire.
All right, Chad.
Nice jump.
Hey, you're new, right?
Prepare the laser beam.
That was amazing. Did you just?
Dude, that was sick.
Wait, did you just turn into a dolphin?
Yep. Sorry.